It was a bright and sunny day when I joined Google 16 years ago. At the time, it seemed like a great deal of work that we were doing, helping advertisers across the globe. When I reflect on those days today, I see that Google Ads has evolved beyond imagination. Back in the day, we just had to put a few keywords together, write a few ads, and then it was all good. People who searched for those keywords were able to find the ads, and our job was just to optimize it. Today, I realize it's much more than what it used to be. It is a great deal of work having to look at everything from the keywords that you put in to how optimized your landing pages are, how good your creatives are, and there are a zillion other things to take care of, including Google and other networks of Google. When I started working for Google, it was just one thing that we had to do. Today, Google in itself has multiple networks, multiple signals, multiple audience insights that you had to look at. It really becomes challenging for businesses to look at these overwhelming things which are changing every day, evolving every day, new things being introduced every day, new signals that you need to look at, new activities and new charts and everything that you have to look at on a daily basis. Like this was not enough, data and automation is at the centerpiece of today's marketing. How can a business focus on its business, to grow its business and to scale it when you have equal amounts of efforts that needs to be put into marketing, especially on platforms like Google, day in and day out? How many people can you hire? How many experts can you hire? And how many things can you monitor? That's exactly where we come in. What we decided to do was to pitch in to help your business. How, you ask? It's very simple. Our solution is an end-to-end free audit for your Google ad campaigns for the last 1 year. We look at these campaigns, we look at what all has been done, what all has been put together, and we optimize those through the audits that we do, and absolutely free of cost. You just tell us what your goals are and what are the challenges that you have been facing, we would get to work. Why, you ask? It's simple. What if we end up liking each other? What if we see an extended team in each other? We are hopeful that it might happen after you look at our work. So what do you say? Are you willing to give us a chance to navigate through this complex world of Google Ads? And would you let us be an extended part of your team? It would be nice if we could work together on the free audit because it gives us an opportunity to showcase what we bring to the table. My name is Casey. Thank you so much. See you soon.